In this video, you'll learn how to install the Phantom Wallet on your smartphone. By following these steps, you will successfully have the wallet application ready for use on your device. Begin by locating the App Store on your smartphone. If you're using an Android device, this will be the Google Play Store, while iPhone users will access the App Store. Look for the app icon that resembles a shopping bag with the Play Store logo or the App Store logo respectively. Next, tap on the App Store icon to open it. Once the store is open, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you will enter the name of the application you want to install. Type in Phantom Wallet into the search bar. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. Look for the official Phantom Wallet app in the list of results. It is important to ensure that you select the correct application to avoid installing a different app. After locating the Phantom Wallet app, tap on it to view more details. You will see an install button. Tap on this button to initiate the download and installation process, depending on your internet speed and the size of the app. This may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you will see an open button appear. Tap open to launch the Phantom Wallet app. If you do not see this option, you can also find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Upon opening the app for the first time, you will be presented with two options. Create new wallet or import existing wallet. Choose the option that suits your needs. If you are new to Phantom, select Create New Wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. During this process, you will be provided with a secret recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet, so it is essential to save it securely in a safe place. Do not share this phrase with anyone, as it grants access to your funds. You have now successfully installed the Phantom Wallet on your smartphone. Ensure that you keep your device secure and your recovery phrase safe to protect your digital assets.